Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down.
For the first time of the human history, the planet Earth has a deadline. The climate change has been a controversial topic around the world for the past few years. This term has been used to define a set of natural phenomena caused by environmental pollution, the greenhouse effect, global warming, and the abuse of non-renewable natural resources. Many activists have made an urgent call to recover the planet Earth. However, many governments and people believe that this is false, and therefore have not taken the necessary decisions to stop this damage. Today, we can see many examples of climate change in our lives. For example, the constant changes in temperature in cities, increasing storms, the extinction of species, and the strongest thing we have ever experienced, a pandemic for a recent virus. There are many actions that we should do to stop the climate change. We have to do a total reduction of plastics because these implements have been contaminating the oceans, and in fact, this just helps to hyperproduction of unnecessary things in our capitalistic life. We should help to stop that. For example, having our own cloth bags, our own clothing, or bottle of water or coffee. We should support the local stores in our cities and countries. In this way, we can help to stop the massive production of articles by multinationals or companies that exploit people. For example, cities like Shanghai or Bangladesh have a high degree of modern slavery. We shouldn't allow corrupt politicians to make bad decisions in our cities and countries. For example, so many governments have wanted to exploit nature reserves, moors, and rivers that are so important for the ecosystem. We can stop that with an honest and conscientious vote. We should reduce the consumption of meat. We need to initiate a shift towards plant-based diets, as the production and distribution of meat has a detrimental impact on the greenhouse gas emissions. On the other hand, if we, as humans, responsible for the climate change, don't act now and begin to change with small actions, we will have terrible consequences for ourselves and for planet Earth. According to the United Nations, by the year 2050, there will be more plastics than fishes in the oceans. This will be extremely shocking for us because it will affect the marine life and kill the ecosystem. In addition, we will consume a large amount of microplastic through water and food. Secondly, as the atmosphere warms, it will increase the temperature at the sea surface and the intensity of storms, hurricanes, typhoons, tropical cyclones. The surface of the Earth could reach a temperature level not experienced in the last 9,000 years. Finally, a very sad fact is that science have predicted that by 2100 we will have extinct half of the planet species.